Hello and welcome to AnjalisBakeAffair once again. Today I'm going to be making a lemon souffle, which is one of my favorite desserts. Now let me tell you a bit about the souffle. Souffle is a French dessert. In fact, it's a French dish. I don't think it's right to call it a dessert because souffle can be savory and it can be sweet. Lemon souffle, of course, is a sweet dish. It's got lots of lemon juice, lots of lemon zest in it. And souffle, it kind of means something that is puffed up, that has been blown up. So that's what a souffle is. It's an egg-based dish. It puffs up. It's very simple. You just need 3 or 4 ingredients. And now let's get started.
For this, you will need eggs, sugar, lemon juice, lemon zest, and some vanilla extract.
So the first thing we'll do is we're going to separate the eggs. Now make sure that the bowl in which you are catching your egg whites, it's absolutely clean, it's absolutely dry. That's very important to get the most of your egg whites when you're going to foam them. You can easily double this recipe if you want to. Now I'm going to keep these whites aside for the moment. Let's get to these yolks. I'm going to add some sugar into it and I will beat these till they are really nice, fluffy. I'm going to start zesting these fresh lemons. Okay, so I'm going to zest 2 to 3 this size of lemons into this. Now while zesting, you need to take care that the white part just underneath this zest is the pith. That should not go inside your batter because that's the bitter part. So now this is really thick and fluffy. It's got this lovely greenish color now because of all that green lemon zest into it. I'm going to keep this aside and get on with our egg whites. We're going to beat them till they are nice, almost stiff peaks. So now using this electric beater is a very good idea. That's because it's going to help you get your egg whites stiffed very, very easily. Of course, you can do it with your hand with a whisk like this. Once you see that these egg whites have broken down, we can add the sugar. So as you can see, the egg whites are stiff, perfect. And this is the egg yolk, sugar and lemon zest mixture, so creamy. We need to get the lemon juice into it now. This is the juice of about 2 to 3, I think it's 3 small lemons. So we'll begin by adding a little bit of this meringue, some part of it only, into this. To gently fold it in. You need to be gentle because the more the air that this batter retains, the fluffier your souffle is going to be. Add this into this because this one is a bigger bowl and it's just so citrusy and lemony and fresh. So this is your souffle batter absolutely ready. Now that the mixture is ready, I'm going to grease these ramekins with some melted butter and line them with a bit of brown sugar. So here's my melted butter. Grease your ramekin. Take a little bit of this fine brown sugar. And this is how you go all around. This is how I'm going to go with all of the ramekins. Okay, so now we're going to fill our mixture into the ramekins up to the top. You're going to smoothen it up nicely. Use a spatula or you can also use an offset one. Take the back of a spoon or you can even use your thumb or your finger to make this kind of a line around it. So this is how I'm going to fill up all my ramekins and get them ready. So as you can see, I've got a nice 6 of these ramekins, so 6 people can easily eat this. You can also easily double or triple the same recipe. Now this is going into a water bath, as I told you. Let me show you what a water bath looks like. It's a baking tray full of water, and I'm going to keep these ramekins right inside that water. They're going to steam for about 20 minutes here. Wow, look at that rise. Isn't that lovely?
Once your souffles are done, you can make them look pretty by sprinkling some powdered sugar. I also added a tiny sprig of mint on each of them.
Okay, let me show you what this looks like. Can you see the sponge in it? Look at this. This is the texture of the souffle that you're looking at. Taste of lemon. Oh my god. It's really good. You must make this recipe, and when you do, don't forget to tag me on Instagram with a picture of your lemon souffle. So till next time, bye bye and enjoy.